So I'm thrifting.
This one for the friends, showing love to my real ones. Say it with my chest, blow it up if you know what I'm feeling.
Hey guys, what's going on? Let's go ahead and jump right into this haul. So I know that I already showed you guys a little bit of the thrift store that I went to and I gave you guys an intro. We're going to go ahead and jump right in. I really wanted to do try-ons for this, but I didn't. But I will slowly but surely incorporate these outfits into a video, or maybe I'll even at some point just do a flat out try-on. Some of the things I did wear, most of the stuff I did not wear quite yet. I'll let you know what I wore and what I think of it. Okay, so I'm going to start out with two pair of jeans. The first pair are signature Levi Strauss, and they are a mid-rise boot cut. I actually got these because I want to cut them into shorts. Hopefully you can see them. I don't want to say like, oh, they're nothing special, but they're, you know, just your run-of-the-mill basic blue jeans, and I think I got these for like a couple bucks. It's really hard for me to put a direct price on everything because a lot of times what they'll just do is add everything that you got together and give you a flat rate. There aren't, you know, just straight out prices, which can be a little tricky, especially if you go shopping and you're by yourself and you're American. You can get gringoed, but with me, I'm not too concerned about getting gringoed. If I like the price, I like the price. Whether or not you give a local a cheaper price is not really my biggest concern. So, you know, I got this and a whole bunch of other clothes for 1 mil, which is 1,000 pesos, which is pretty much like 19-20 bucks. So I got these. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go ahead and completely distressed. I feel like I am. I feel like I'm going to turn these to shorts. I don't really wear full jeans that much. I went with my friend, he's Haitian, and he's just like, no, those are nice, you should not cut those. And I'm just like, they're all right. They're, you know, they're cute. I have like my one pair of jeans that I bought from home and a whole bunch of different shorts and different things, and I'm feeling like I want to distress these. These two, these are Urban Pipeline. I'm not too familiar with this brand, and these are loose straight, and I really like these. Like, my thighs are really thick, so they don't fit me all that loose, but I really like them. I like the color of denim. They already have a little bit of distressing. I really want to go in on these and do something really cute with them. Thrift is big here. I absolutely love thrift shopping. Every time I see, it's called PACA out here. Every time I see a new PACA, I'm like, I want to go and see what they have. Because what happens out here is people go to like wholesalers to buy used clothing from different parts of the country. They'll get like a lot of clothing, open a store, pretty much a thrift store. Thrift is huge out here. I'm obsessed. Every time I travel somewhere, I want to go thrifting. So this is right up my alley. This has to be one of my favorite finds. And I really like these a lot. I think I paid like $8 for these. I remember because these are something that I bought singular. I absolutely love these. They fit a little tight. I'm looking to lose a little weight. Oh, there's something in the pocket. I've worn these a few times, so I know it's mine. Oh yeah, from the beach the other day. Oh my God, this is so typically me. My hands are ashy. Okay, we're gonna be okay though. I really, really like these. They're really trendy right now, but they're also a classic. I haven't always loved how cargo shorts look on me, but I mean, these are cute, whether you wear them with some flats or a heel, a little oversized shirt, or like a shirt like this. I really, really love these a lot. These get a lot of wear. I wear these a lot. I have a denim button-up that, you guys know I always wear denim button-ups. If you paid attention to my videos, I have them on a lot. And if you follow me on Instagram, you know, because a lot of you guys do this thing where you make a to-do about missing me, and missing my face, and missing my content, but I'm very consistent on Instagram. Like, don't make a to-do about missing me and then don't come check up on me. I don't get it. It's strange to me. But no, I also really, really like this shirt. This is Hartselle High School, Hartselle High, 2018, 1909. And in the front it says Hearts HHS 1975. It's just a classic cool gray t-shirt. I really like it a lot. I like the neckline. It's like heavy cotton. I just like it. I work out in it. It has like a nice kind of like heavy hang to it. I really like this color gray. I have a lot of leggings and quarter shorts that this looks good with. It looks good with a lot of the things that I already own. So I really like this. I think I got that for like $1 or $2. I'm not really sure. I got a few t-shirts. So this one right here, I'm going to cut because this shape currently is just not flattering on my arms. I am going to turn it into a stringer, meaning I'm going to thin out right here. Like I'm going to carve it out and thin it out a bit because it's just not that flattering on me, but it is a Harley Davidson shirt. And these are kind of cool. And because I ride a scooter, I feel like I pretty much have a Harley, you know what I'm saying? But I really like these. This is Harley Davidson of Pensacola, Florida. It is an authentic Harley shirt. I know a girl on Instagram who collects these, and she has one very similar to this. So I kind of feel like it's cool. I'm not like the Americana kind of girl, but there are some things that I like that kind of are Americana, right? Speaking of Americana, America, I had to get this when I seen it. Like, I had to get it, and I like wearing it as an American. I think it was a really, really cool moment in time, honey. And you know what? I like graphic tees. I like tees with artists on it. And there's something about right now that just makes this shirt feel really cool. You know, the trend is like graphic tees with TLC and Selena and all different artists and stuff like that. So I was like, I like that. I was like, okay. I wear this a lot, a lot. I'll wear that with some little short shorts and some little cute shoes. I'll wear that as like a throw on every day, kind of whatever the case may be. Love it. So one question I get a lot is, are there American brands here, clothing brands? I mean, there are stores in the malls. So you're going to pay a little bit more for them. So I love going to the thrift store because you're going to find things. And it's like hit or miss. There are some brands that, like I got this dress for like $8. It's Lulu's. Lulu's can be a little bit more costly. You really probably can't see, but it has like a corset back. Let me stand up. Hold on. It has like a V-neck spaghetti strap. It is A-line and flirty, which I really, really love. And then it has like this corset backing, which is really, really pretty. I'm going to have to like I do not want to put this on, Lord. I really don't. It's really hot right now. I don't feel like dealing with it. But I really like this. And what I was saying is sometimes, like, okay, so this is what happens in the thrift store. Like, I have this shirt that I got, and it's from the brand Chocolate. And if you're like a cheapie, you know, if you like little cheapie brands and stuff like that, you're probably familiar with the brand Chocolate. You know in the States that this goes for like $5 or $6. Now, because they don't know that, a lot of times, like, they will almost like upcharge you. Not purposefully, I don't think all the time, and I like this shirt. It has like, I don't know if you would call this a boat neck or something, and it has a keyhole in the back. And then it has like some crisscross design here, which is kind of cool. I feel like I feel so lazy not doing a try on. I may have to try these clothes on. But I really like this shirt, but you trying to sell it to me for $6, I'm like, no, that's the price of it brand new. You know what I mean? But I don't haggle too hard. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't haggle too hard. But then you'll get other things like this. Like this is a Ralph Lauren shirt, right? The sleeves are cut, which I didn't notice until I left, which is cool. I don't really mind like rolling it to hide the distressing. And some people may not know that, okay, this shirt is definitely more of a pricey shirt. And I think this is really cute. I have some little red and white Fouboutins that I always talk about. That would look really cute with that shirt. This was also a really, really cool shirt. It's kind of like cropped. It has like a tie in the front. It's really cute. It's colorful. It's flirty. I love floral. This is a really cute top. You guys are going to be seeing that really, really soon. And that was really unique. So I think that was about $6. So now I want to show you some swimming stuff that I got. And because it is so hot out here, you're always going to need a good swimsuit. I'm in love with this swimsuit. I'm so proud of this find. I am, and it's vintage and it's high quality. You can tell like it's tailored. It has like a really high quality, like look at this. Like look at this, like what do you, I don't know what you call this, the inlay, like the stitching, the lining. It is so high quality. It's really, really nice. It's a size 12. Rosemary Reed, and it is just nice. It is like a really like vintage inspired bathing suit. I'm so proud of this. I love this. This might be the thumbnail. Like I love this. I was really, really amped when I found that. I was just like, oh! And I only think I paid like $3 or $4 for this. This is a beautiful bathing suit. Like don't sleep on it, okay? And then this bathing suit, I forget what brand it is. I think it's Calvin Klein. I don't remember. Hold on. Because I like a good sexy one piece. Everything is not always about bikinis. I think this is, jeez, where's the tag? This is a good brand. I can't really seem to find the tag. It may have come out in the wash, or maybe it came off and I was trying it on or something. But this is a really nice, high quality bathing suit. It has adjustable straps. It has big, nice cups, honey. I love that. If you are top heavy, then you need a nice, good cup. Like, you really can't play with that too much. You know what I mean? Especially when it is a cupped bathing suit. Like, you can't play with the cup size. I really love this. I love the color. I love the print. It's nice. It's like respectable. Like, there are times when I'm in a string, okay? And then there are times, like, if you're going to a resort or something and you're going to be around families and stuff like that, yes, I know, it's about context, and you are, and you wear what you want to do at the pool, cool. I love all of that. But there are times when a little bit of, decency, like, there are times when I want to be a little, covered up, and I like that. So I recently found this, which I really, really like. The brand is what? Kenneth Cole. I think I paid like $2 for this. You know what I mean? Nice, good cupping underwire. It has like the frilly, top. It has a tie in the back. I like this because this can go with so many of the other bikini bottoms that I have, so I can do like a mix and match. And then I got these, which really kind of make me sad because they're not too small. The leg holes don't have enough stretch and it doesn't fit. But I really liked it because it had this string, and I had this whole like fantasy in mind. I love this print. I love these leaves, these palm fronds. Like, it is my favorite. It's so the Golden Girls wallpaper kind of vibe. I'm obsessed. And this is from the brand Tadley. And I really like these. I'm going to see if I can do an exchange. I go into that thrift store all the time, and I know the guy is going to hook me up. So this is from the brand Tahiti, and this is a bottom, which is going to be so cute with the top that I just showed you. I really, really like these a lot. They fit me really cute. If you have a big booty, you really should get something with tie on the side. You can rearrange it. You can bring it higher up on your waist or lower, however you want. But I really, really like these a lot. I really found them to be really, really cute. And now for one of my favorite things to thrift, especially out here, because when I first moved here, I'm thinking like, oh my God, it's so hot. Must be naked all the time. And then you're outside naked and your skin is frying. The sun is ferocious. And you're just like, okay, let me cover my skin. Because I would see guys like on their scooters and different things like that, and hoodies and long sleeve shirts, and I'm just thinking, what the hell is going through their head? I'd have on a tank top and some little shorts. Yeah, until your skin fries. The pain from the sun is outrageous. With that being said, I love a good button up. So this is the shirt from my first, most recent vlog where I was telling you guys I'm trying to fix it because the thread was bleeding all over my shirt. Oh my God, this shirt is fully recovered. I love this shirt. It's sheer, but it gives me coverage. It has slits on the side. The arms are nice and long. I can roll them up or keep them down. I can wear this up over something skimpy, a little skimpy dress, or something that's really low cut. I can wear this with little high booty shorts. I can wear this with denim. I can wear this to the beach with a bathing suit. I love a good white button up. There's nothing in life better. Okay, there are things better, but you know what I mean. I love this. I love this. And this is from the brand La Belle. And some of these brands I haven't heard of, but like this is giving me contempo casuals. This is giving me you went shopping with your aunt and you guys do not have the same taste, but when you get in there, you're kind of like, I could do something with it. I could do something with that. That's cute. That's cute. I could do something with that. I could do something with that. Because, you know, if you're stylish, you're stylish. You stylish, you stylish. I'm stylish. So I really, really like that a lot. This, what I'm looking at right now is from Universal Thread. This is just an extra large basic white button up. I really love for the same reasons. I may cut the sleeves on this one because they're a little short, but I really love this. It's really collegiate, cute with some shorts, cute with some leggings every day. I love to wear this kind of thing, running errands, hopping on my scooter, going to the grocery store. I really love it. This was the find of the century. This is a nice, beautiful Banana Republic, okay, Banana Republic denim, okay, it says large, but it's giving 2X, and I just love it. I love it for everything that I said, all of my other button-ups I love being able to wear, I love mismatched denim, okay, what do they call that, the Canadian tuxedo. I love mismatched denim. I love to wear this kind of thing with some cute little shorts, bathing suit, very, very easy to wear. Very, very forgiving on days when you're feeling a little fluffy, honey, you're not really feeling the vibe. I had to get this one as well, cute with the sleeves rolled up, with a bikini underneath on the beach, reading a book. You want to be a little modest, you know what I mean? Or you can tie this in so many different. I love a button up. Like, I love a button up. There's so many ways to wear a button up. And then right here, this is a Ralph Lauren classic, okay? And it still has the dry cleaning labels on it. I actually put this in the wash machine. It's crazy how these tags didn't come off and I didn't notice them. This is 17 and a half, 34, 35, whatever any of that means. But it does have the logo right here. It's Ralph Lauren, very nice, large. I may have to wash it again with some bleach. I didn't bleach these shirts because I had my other shirt in there and it didn't take so well to bleach the first time, but I may end up going in and bleaching this one. But I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. This is like the best thing. You can wear such a shirt dress with a cute belt, high heels. You can wear this belted with some little shorts, cute little flip-flops, bathing suit. There's so many ways to style things. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm going to have the face after this video. This is like my new go-to face. It's so healthy. It's so gorgeous. I used to be a matte makeup lover, but what I find is when you're in an environment, this is not a thrift shirt, but I find when you are in an environment where it's hot, it's humid, it's sunny, and your face looks matte, dead to the world, it's a little like juxtaposition, but I do still love a matte face, but the glow is growing on me. It's growing on me. It's giving health. I have on my classic red lip, honey. This is Trinidad from Baptiste Beauty, justbaptiste.com. I have on a little bit of blush. I will be revamping and selling some products again. Definitely lip liner, definitely blush. Let me know what your favorite products are from my brand, The Godly Glow. It'll be thegodlyglow.com. I am currently working on my website and doing different things to be able to start selling again. I'm going to have more clips in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my other vlogs. I will have them probably here on the screen in the bottom bar. Definitely go check it out. There's no need to miss me. I be everywhere. When people say that, I'm generally like, I'm here. I'm still here. In my Tisha Campbell voice, honey. But yeah, I don't have on any pants, but I have on this cute top, which I got from Ross, which I've had for a long time. I also got this from Ross. I got this from Shein. I got these from Shein. I got this from the local beauty supply store. I don't really have on any lashes. I just have on mascara and lip gloss. All right, you guys, so I'm going to get the heck out of here. I will, like, don't kill me. Like there's going to have to be a separate video, like a try-on video. Like, I was just like, it's hot. It's hot, okay? And none of the clothes are like you can imagine what I look like in these clothes, right? All right, guys, as always, I want to try it again. All right, guys, as always, I want to thank you so much for commenting, rating, and subscribing. I'll be in touch, and hopefully you'll do the same. Bye, guys.
This one for the friends, showing love to my real ones, say it with my chest.